Introducing the patented Frontline multi-directional clamping system, the world's first interlocking clamping system. Designed and manufactured in Australia by Frontline Engineering, this unique system enables high-quality timber laminating work to be completed quickly and easily, and it eliminates the problems associated with traditional timber clamping methods during the laminating process. Don't be fooled by cheap imitations or copies. Only the original, patented Frontline multi-directional clamping system delivers the quality you expect and performance that you can rely on. The Frontline multi-directional clamping system applies pressure to all four sides of the individual wood panels simultaneously, delivering 100% accuracy, first time, every time. Whether you're a professional or handyman with years of experience or just starting out, the Frontline multi-directional clamping system delivers outstanding high-quality results in a fraction of the time of traditional laminating methods. In fact, even experienced professionals are reporting that the Frontline multi-directional clamping system is up to 4 times faster than traditional methods. The Frontline multi-directional clamping system delivers a highly efficient, extremely cost-effective, professional quality timber laminating system which is so easy to use that it doesn't even require skilled labour. With the Frontline multi-directional clamping system, warped, bowed and twisted boards are a thing of the past. The Frontline multi-directional clamping system is the only system to feature the patented downward pressure mechanism to provide a smooth and even finish, whilst eliminating the issues associated with bowed, warped or twisted boards. Whether it's tables, panels, doors or other laminated pieces, the Frontline multi-directional clamping system makes laminating timber quicker, easier and more efficient than ever before. For workshops where space is at a premium, the vertical Frontline multi-directional clamping system provides the ideal solution. Don't be fooled by cheap imitations or copies. The Frontline multi-directional clamping system is a professional quality, robust and reliable unit that has been built to last. And importantly, the Frontline multi-directional clamping system is the only system to feature the exclusive patented downward pressure mechanism, giving you the results you need first time, every time. Don't be fooled by cheap imitations or copies. Only the original, patented Frontline multi-directional clamping system delivers the quality you expect and performance that you can rely on. Manufactured from the same high-quality materials and with all of the features and performance of the original flatbed Frontline unit, the vertical Frontline multi-directional clamping system can be easily wheeled into position for use and then wheeled out of the way to free up valuable floor space in your workshop or factory.